Welcome everyone. In this video we will see forex weekly analysis for the week starting from 21st September 2020 to 25th September 2020, as it is the running of 9th month of 2020 and the effect of COVID-19 is already removed from the market and people are came back to work and businesses are opened and several economic releases are putting impact on the financial market. Therefore, we may see some decent movement in most of the major currency pairs. At first, let's have a look what important releases we have for this week. If we look at the Forex Factory chart, we can see the first release will be the Fed Chair Powell speaks that may create a volatility in the price. Later on, the Bank of England Governor also and Fed Chair Powell testifies as well. Among the economic releases, the most important releases are the official cash rate of RBNZ and the French and German flush manufacturing PMI. Later on, the US flash manufacturing PMI and the S&P policy stage assessment is also important release for this week. Overall, we may see some volatility and the decent price movement in the most of the European and US dollar related currency pairs. Now let's move to the price chart. If we look at the USD price, you can see the price is extremely volatile at 1.1800 area, where the price is trying to get down the area with a daily close. Therefore, as the volatility prevails, a daily close below 1.18 would be questionable for this bullish rally. However, it is not the right time to say that the price will move down, as it is running with a long-term bullish upward trend. Any bearish daily close below it would create the opportunity for getting buy until it creates a new low below at least the rejection level of last week 1.1734. Therefore, we will be looking forward to sell after some correction, obviously, if the price manages to have a daily close below 1.1735 area. Otherwise, as long as the price is moving within the upside movement, we'll be looking forward to buy. In GBP USD price, the price is moving with extremely downside pressure from 1.30 area that may extend to the downside with a primary target of 1.27, and a daily close below 1.2760 area would create room for 1.2337. In USD JPY price, a daily close below 106 created a room for further downside pressure, and price is currently trading at 104 area and it may continue lower towards 103.00 level. In AUD price, the price is moving slowly, correctively, but reliably to the upside. Therefore, there is no sign to say that the price is going to move down until it creates a new low at least below 0.7180 area. Therefore, if the price manages to have a daily close or the rejection from dynamic level of 20 MA, we'll be looking forward to buy. If we look at the gold, we can see the price is trading within a triangular, and the triangular breakout towards the trend would be prominent to say that it will continue the upside movement. On the other hand, a daily close below 1900 area would create a room for bearish pressure. In the BTC USD, you can see price get rejected from 10,000 level with a daily close above it, and it is pointing higher. Therefore, as long as the price is trading above the 10,000 level, we'll be looking forward to buy, and for sale we need to have a daily close below the 10,000 level only. Thanks for watching the video. For more information, please visit our website.